Morning guys. Andito na naman tayo sa ating angulo Aalis tayo ngayon. Isama ko na naman kayo, no? Today guys, punta tayo sa National Trust. Para siyang mga lumang mga bahay. Minsan castle pa nga eh. Ginagawang tourist attraction. Pero yung National Trust, under government yan. So, pwede ka magpa-membership for the whole year. So, kahit saan ka pumunta na National Trust, but free entry. Let's go na. Ito lang ating OTD kasi cloudy today, pero windy. At hindi, mainit daw. Today is... Georgie, tapos na, love? Ikaw? Where are you? Have you brushed your teeth?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Naunahan pala ako ni Georgie. Ano pa sa ko? Wait lang, sapatos ako. Kung magsandal ako. Para maka breathe ang ating paa. So, ayan. Ready lang ako ng aking bag, guys. Tapos, alis na tayo. You got it?
No, I don't need your car keys. Go on. You want to get in the back with Georgie or what?
I don't know much. Georgie got new headphones. Really? Look.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, it's because you've got to try and find something to down watch. You're watching something now?
Yeah, she's watching now. So, yan, alis na tayo guys. Slow down. Hopelessly devoted to you. 9 minutes at ando na tayo. Andito na tayo guys, nakapark na si Sir. So lakad tayo punta sa may shed at kasi andun yung nag-check ng mga IDs.
That means, like...
Selling
what?
stuff.
No, and Grandad used to, when they used to sell stuff.
Oh, yeah.
It's like that. A gift there.
You mean like where I got that, tabby?
Yes, right, when Hedgehog or whatever it was.
And your octopus, a jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Yeah, you've got a jellyfish there, didn't
Yeah, but another time, it wasn't where Nana or Granddad's store wasn't there, but it's just other people's.
you? No, we went to a different one that Nana and Grandad didn't have stores.
Yeah, and I got a panda.
Yeah, that was the small wood.
Exploring Lake Cook. So welcome to Lake Cook Abbey and Village.
We're here.
Yeah.
Right, so...
Take a photo. You want to take a photo? So I'm sure
looks like we're going to walk past the park.
Yeah. I'm sure they're gonna give us a map, no?
Yeah.
Naihi kasi ako guys. Sabi ni Georgie. Ano sabi mo? Dali na.
If you need the toilet, you could just have a tiny bushway. It's fine.
Louder.
If you need the bathroom, you could just have a tiny bushway, Mommy.
Ihi daw ako sa damuhan.
I don't know if you're allowed in here.
Welcome children under 14 years old only to play here.
Does that mean you can go?
I'm under 14.
Oh, okay, you can play then. If you're under 14, you
Daddy
can play.
tricking you.
Oh, I'm not sure.
I didn't fell. Oh my god.
That will be wobbly. That will be wobbly. Really? Oi, makes me jump.
Then go back to the seat just in case somebody sees
No,
us.
I'm going to stand. I've been sitting down while we drove. Go on, you can do that. Chop, chop. Faster, faster. Faster, faster. Faster, faster. Well, you just put your hands on bird food.
Nah, doesn't matter. It's dry poop. Daddy trick you.
I'm looking scared.
Just trying to trick you so you trick. So
Oh,
you
you know
can
what? That doesn't make you fall for.
Go on, it's easy.
It's what
You won't be able to do this one now.
Daddy.
What?
It's unsafe.
It just wobbly a little bit, no? Dali, oi, the boy coming on. Just
Come on,
grab
he's catching up. Quick, quick, quick. He's jumping, quick, quick, quick. over the bridge, over the bridge, over the bridge.
What the? Sigma, Sigma boy.
Right, you can miss that one. Go, go, go. You can't swing. Go, go, go. Upstairs. So go up the stairs, Georgie.
That's different type of the camera.
Go upstairs first, and then we'll come down and walk around downstairs. 1939, Georgie. 30 is awful. Printing press, Georgie.
Printing photo. Inventors of photography. The Kiwi. Husband o ganda.
Husband and
Sit, Daddy.
really,
That's good.
Careful, it might be spiky.
not spiky.
Oh, look at this one, Georgie.
Wow.
That looks like a...
That's not what we got.
No, it's different. It looks like a
One.
hedgehog.
Yeah.
And one. Ladybird. Look, Daddy.
See, Abbey grounds that way. Abbey entrance and toilet this way. So, mga ganitong place guys, kung gusto nyo ng nice walk with family or your boyfriend, or kasama yung mahal sa buhay, kung sino pa yan, mga kaibigan nyo. Tingnan yung toilet niya guys, oh. Ito yung loob. What are you having?
Right. She's having a bar.
Chocolate?
I got it from the cafe.
We've got. Share the coffee in the sausage roll. Put in your pocket.
Put in the pocket of your backpack.
Put in your back pocket.
Should you have... Oh, this is nice. Ano yan?
Yeah, all over the place.
This is the bakehouse.
This is the bakehouse. This is where they used to bake the bread, I guess. Wow.
We cannot get in. Nilagyan nila ng rope. Lumang-luma, ano? What's
Where
this?
they used to make the ale and drink.
Wine.
Yeah.
What, oh, yeah.
Watch where you're stepping, Georgie.
Grabe no. Lumang-luma, oh. Talagang inano nila, no? Kinikip nila ba?
Oh, yeah.
Mga peaches tree pala yan. Yan oh, peaches tree. Pwede ba mamitas niyan? Yung daming bunga oh. So this is the Abbey and Museum. Abbey entrance.
You're not allowed to stand on, Georgie. It's very fragile. And then
Okay.
It's an electric wire to stop animals like deer
Climbing up.
and getting over. And your mum will get up there. Wrap it up. Bring it in. Wrap that on it.
Look at me here, Daddy. Ay.
Stand up here with Mummy.
Oh, squeaky. That's old books, no? Which side or... Hello. Ah, okay. Ito it's a piano. It's a desk. Oh, yeah, I think you can sit down.
Yeah. Wow. It's scales that I use in.
So, this is House of Photography. Kasi ang may-ari ng bahay na ito, siya yung nagpasimuno ng photography. Wow, you're playing hide and seek. Ang lawak ano. Laki yun. So mayaman talaga sila no nung sinauna.
Sit on the ground.
Stand by the street.
Ay, ang ganda.
Up on there. Where your bloody walk home?
Like this?
Lovely.
Wait lang, let me adjust it. Far so you can... gusto niya picture sa trees. Halika na, okay na. Ayaw niya magpuso pa picture dyan.
We'll get my phone.
Check your photo.
Thank you.
Ang laki. Malalaki talaga yung mga sinaunang dito. Bahay. Sipin nyo, no? Ang tibay ng niyan. Yung pundasyon ng wall. Yan, oh. Ganda. Welcome to the home of photography. Around 190 years ago. Wow, very, very old. What is it? The structures is similar in Welsh Cathedral, no?
Well, it's the same time period, isn't it?
So, ang sinasabi ko guys, hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video kasi ang daming tao, ayoko sila i-include sa ating video, Suong tayo sa lalim ng puno. Ganda. So, ayoko sila i-include sa video kasi ang dami. Tapos, yung sa loob, empty naman siya, walang masyadong, ganap.
Over there, mommy. Take a photo. Watch your bus.
Guys, kung sa atin pa to ba, magtabi-tabi po kasi malaking puno, tapos lumang-luma. May nakatira. So, ito kasama sa ito isang sakop din ng National Trust hanggang yan. Ang lawak yan. So, yung nilakaran natin kanina from the parking, yan yung cover ng National Trust. So, buti ngayon, hindi ganoon kabisi, no? Kasama yung mag-ama ko. Nawala na. Ayan pala, kita ko na, naka-orange. Ang bilis kitain ni Mr. dahil naka-orange. Buti na lang talaga, hindi maaraw ba? So, hindi ganun ka basa ang ating kilikili. So, andun pa pala guys, oh. Ang lawak, mga tao naglalakad hanggang doon. Welcome to my hacienda. Parang baliw. Yan. Kasi hindi ako nahiya magsasalita guys pag ako lang. Pag marami kasing may nakasunod, nahihiya ako. Kasi siyempre pag titinginan ka ba, mostly pa naman yung dito, yung mga oldies, mga pensioners, family, magjowa. Tapos hindi sila yung nag-video. Photo lang sila. So, nahihiya ako. Nakaupo na yung dalawa. Breathe in, breathe out. Sa Pinas pa to guys, nagtakbuhan na kasi may malaking puno. Dito wala. Na-appreciate nila dito yung malalaking puno, kung gaano katanda ito at napakaganda lalo pag ganito. Madahon ba? Ay. You're resting now?
Tired?
No? Georgie. Love.
Good mommy.
Punta tayo sa Rose Gardens. Hopefully, maraming rose, ano. Kasi yung unang dadaanan natin na ay glass house, hindi ganun kadaming plants. May magjuwa. Ikutin natin yung camera kasi may magjuwa nakatingin. Huh? Apple tree. Oh yeah.
Look at these apples, Georgie.
Miniature apple.
Crab apples.
Crab apples. They call it crab apples
yeah,
now.
not ready yet. Too small, too ripe.
Were you allowed to pick?
No,
Of course
you're
not.
supposed to, but
Some.
more apple trees.
Yeah. Ito lang yung rose garden nila, guys. So, yan lang yung mas malago. Tapos yan, yan lang. The rest, walang bulaklak. Georgie. Come on, girl.
You have to be flying around me.
Okay, come on, let's catch daddy.
I think I'm a flower.
How about let's go back to the car na?
Because mommy,
Mm.
we thought that I'm a flower. That's why it's been sitting around me because I think this is a flower because it's so colorful.
Ah, okay. Oh yeah, because it's pink.
It's colorful.
Why dad is going that way? I thought he wants to go back to the car. That way, it's going back to the car. Good, merong benches, guys, para makaupo si Mr. Buti na lang taga, hindi mainit or maaraw. O hindi hihingalin na ito. I thought you wanna go back to the car.
Rockwork.
Rockworks, yeah. Let's go. Look at that trees, Georgie. The leaves. Is it because of the heat? That's why it's changed?
Lack of water.
Lack of water, daddy, no? Lack of rain. Oh, kawawa, oh.
Right. Need some rain.
Dry.
I don't know what the rockwork's like, Georgie. Oh, look at that. Look at those roots on that tree, Georgie. Oh, this one. Oh, there.
Still growing, no? Galing, ah.
Yeah.
So, tingnan nyo, hindi talaga nila pinuputol, guys. Kung matumba man yan, hayaan lang nila yan. Kasi merong tatawag silang tree doctor. Yang lupain na yan, guys, lahat niyan, lahat ng ito ay napakalaki. At ito ay hindi akin. Joke. Wag. Walay. So, tapos na tayo naglakad sa loob ng Abbey, guys. So, lakad tayo dito sa small town nila. Tapos meron ding pub. So, we'll see. Yeah. Little village, guys.
Some, they've got some nice little delicate little ones here.
So, yan, guys. You have to be honest. If you buy something, leave the money there and get what you want. Daddy, come here. Candles. Oh, smells good. So, yan o, ganda. Ano to? Oil. Steam room. Small village, guys. So, the Lake Cook Bakery. Let's go inside.
You want to sit down and have a cuppa?
Yeah, fresh bread.
What do you want, love?
Cold drink.
Yeah.
It's never this side of the house, so just to make it a little bit
Right.
more interesting. Oh, they got ice cream, Georgie. You want ice cream? Cool you down?
Yeah.
Here. Go and have a look at your ice cream. See which flavour you want. You want a tub? Have a tub.
Yeah.
Have a small tub. What do you want? What do you want to drink, Mummy?
Do you have cold drink, love?
Yeah, in the fridge.
Oh, yeah. I just have Fanta.
Right, get yourself something to eat here. I'm gonna have a ham salad.
Ham salad.
Yeah, it's a ham salad roll here. There's a tuna mayo, cheese and.
What Georgie having?
Georgie, if she's having ice cream, you just said she could have ice cream.
Sausage rolls.
Yeah. Do you want it?
Right.
What is this?
So,
yum.
lunch muna
It's like a
kami,
donut.
guys. And getting busy, oh. Perfect timing. We got a
Got a
table.
fan as well.
Yeah.
This is for us.
That's for Georgie.
So it is for us.
It's like the same.
It's a donut.
Yeah, donut. So, tapos na kami kumain, guys. Balik na kami sa maglaro daw ulit si Georgie sa park bago kami uwi. Goldsmiths? Selling gold pero shut. It says open. Anong sabi mo?
Oh, sabi mo?
Dali na, anong sabi mo?
Oh, sabi mo?
Dali na, what did
Dali
you say?
na, what did you say?
Sabi ni Georgie, she stole her na daw.
She
Kaya sabi
stole
ko,
her na.
if my armpit is wet, I can reach my
I can reach my
arms
arms.
and here and smell my armpit.
It's so wet.
Come here. Daddy won't do that. It's spiky. See? You're tall nga, love. Because look perfect, oh.
No, get that away from me.
Kabuang talaga, ano? Mommy's height is 14 years old. And my heart.
That's my strain.
Hi, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine.
Ayan, i-correct ko pala guys, no? Ang membership pala for National Trust for annual cost for family, 2 adults, 1 kid, ay 106. Or i-attach ko na lang yung photo. So, ayan yung membership, yun yung bayarin. Yan yung bayarin pag magpa-membership ng National Trust. Ayan, so may idea kasi kayo. Kasi kung hindi kayo magpa-member, tulad dito yung pinuntahan namin, per adult is 20 pounds. Tapos yung below 5 years old is free. Tapos the rest na, ang bayad for kids is andyan din nakalagay. 10 pounds yata sa kids. So, worth it talaga kung magpa-membership ng National Trust. Kasi baka visit ka lang ng 2 to 3, ayan, bawi na kayo sa binayaran nyo. Kasi yung National Trust is everywhere, England. Yun nga lang, kailangan yung bumiyahe. Kung mahilig lang kayo sa sa tawag nito. Kung mahilig lang kayo sa
How?
nature. Ayan na si
Stop
Madam.
being so. No.
Come on, girl.
Scary.
Scary ka dyan, just scroll.
I'm never gonna get
Balik na kami sa sakyan, guys, kasi umaraw na siya, as in mainit talaga. Ayan po ang ating video for today, guys. Maraming salamat po. Have a good day and have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.
The word up.